What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name's Nelson. Today I'm inside my 2005 Toyota Highlander and I got it fully loaded. That's right, I got my bed at the top, and that's the cool thing about having an SUV. Just need a little bit of straps, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. It's not gonna hurt the top of my SUV, and it's 100% fully capable, man. It's got it strapped on. Check this out, pretty cool. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but that is my bed strapped on, but it should be good and safe enough to go. So a pretty big fluffy bed. I think it shifted just a little bit, but with my sunroof open, I'm gonna be able to keep an eye on it. Good afternoon, guys. I hope everyone is doing great. I'm doing fantastic. I haven't posted in a while and I'm very sorry about that. It's just things have been crazy. I think there's a stop up ahead, and obviously got a new couch, some new furniture and stuff like that for the house. So I've been super busy. Also just started my Instagram, so go follow me on the gram. It's right now POV Nelson, so it's the exact same as my YouTube name, but I think I'm gonna change it. I got my girl who's basically running my account, so she's gonna be putting some of my old videos, startups, going 0 to 60s, Highlander for 1 month. And I still haven't washed it. I haven't washed it in 1 month, man. But I do got some pretty cool updates for it. I just did the headlights. I sanded them down, compound, polished, waxed. You know, got them nice and clean. So guys, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. I just hit 1,000 subscribers. So I just got approved a couple days ago to be monetized on YouTube. So I got 1,000 subs, 12,000 watch hours. So thank you guys so much for that. And I'm gonna start getting paid, baby, get the money. But I doubt I'll make any real money, but we'll just see how it goes. You know, that's the whole thing. And that's just me right there. I'm just go with the flow. So I just installed some headlights. So I got some headlights for free, because they're telling me to stop. And right now I have a radio company, Benzo Radio, who wants me to join their partnership affiliation. And what they're gonna do is they do nothing but radio, so touchscreen radios. So I'm no joke, I'm gonna get a 10-inch double din huge tablet right here for this radio. Oh my god, I went off-road. Exactly what this Toyota Highlander needs. Giant radio. It's gonna have navigation, it's gonna have backup camera. I already got JBL audio, which is amazing audio. So this Toyota Highlander is just gonna be amazing. $10 Amazon actuators. If you know about the Highlander or any Toyotas really, they have actuator problems where the actuators go out. That basically means your power door locks don't work. These are $200 at AutoZone and O'Reilly's, and they're $10 online, so you just cannot beat it. And this is it right here, $10 part, Amazon. We're gonna find out if they're any good or if they totally suck. I think that's my boy Chava right there. Shout out to him. Ow! So some luxury seat covers. So that's what's coming up next for the Toyota Highlander, and I'm really excited about it. Oh shit, my couch is moving a little bit, but I'm pretty confident my straps got it. I'm gonna be driving, I'm only gonna go 50, I think. And I should go slower. Speed limit here is like 45. Everyone goes like 100 miles an hour here. Everyone goes 60, and I'm gonna go 45. That means in California traffic, everyone behind me is gonna try and kill me. No joke, that's not even an exaggeration. They're gonna do everything that they can to pass me up, and I'm pretty sure the first one to do anything is gonna be a Jeep owner. I'm sorry if you own Jeeps, but you Jeep owners are just the most crazy, insane people I've ever met in my entire life. And that's why you buy an SUV, especially a Toyota Highlander with those roof racks in the top. Those are original racks. I'm not sure the weight, I didn't check on it, but I'm pretty sure this couch is like 60 pounds, something like that. But I don't want to drive too fast. Finally lost that stick. Woo! After I did all the service, motor, transmission, you know, differential oils, I did everything full service, some spark plugs, some gaskets, some belts. And so far, rotated the tires, checked the brakes, everything has been done, looked at to make sure there's a nice running, reliable vehicle. And since I did all that work in the very beginning, the first couple days that I got it, I have not had to go over anything or check anything. It's not a bad idea actually to look at the motor oil, make sure that we're still full of oil. These are just things to check for and to do. Check the antifreeze levels, because when I did all that work, I did remove some antifreeze, but I did fill it up with the correct antifreeze. But going back there and checking it wouldn't be a bad idea, and I haven't done that. I haven't even lifted up the hood anymore, and that's how you know you got a good Toyota. But I do have to check it. You have to check it every single week just to make sure that you're running good. And one thing I haven't done is the spare tire. I know how to do it. I just been lazy, I guess. Lazy and busy. And I'm very surprised that no one has tried to pass me up. I'm pretty sure they all want to, but no one has tried. Let's go to the dump. Right here's gonna pass me. I want to know what kind of car this is. The Highlander gets amazing MPG. I put $60 in, fill up the whole tank. Honda SI? What is it? It's a Prelude. I knew it was a Prelude. Freaking sick, bro. Anyway, I filled up the whole tank with $60 at gas, almost $6 a gallon. Like $5.25, something crazy like that. And this literally lasts me like almost over 2 weeks. It's already like Friday. Yeah, today's Friday, so you'll probably be seeing this video Saturday. But it's lasted me forever. And I gotta go fill up again. I usually drive to the other city, no joke. I'm in Turlock. I drive to Ceres, which is a neighborhood city, just to put gas, because it's a lot cheaper there. If you don't know, I think the taxes in Turlock are higher, something like that. That's something with the taxes. We're going camping this weekend, blah 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 blah. So that's what we're gonna do. Roof rack in the top. Woo! But if I had the roof rack now, I don't think I'd be able to put my whole mattress up there, or put the mattress on top of the roof rack. No, I don't think that would work. Cool thing about a roof rack is you don't need any kind of tools to put it on, install it. At least to install it on the existing racks that your SUV comes with. That stuff is pretty easy, pretty simple. You kind of just screw it on. I'm gonna be getting a really cheap one, like $100 one. I think it's like a 34 or 46. So it's not gonna take up the entire top of my Highlander. So hopefully I'll still have some space to put some other stuff and stack some other stuff and whatnot. Or if you guys think I should get a bigger roof rack just to see what it looks like on the Highlander. I haven't really seen a lot of people with the roof racks on this Highlander. Look, there's one right there, and it just has the normal stacks. Highlander right here, clean title, no accidents. And even though with 225,000 miles, that's why it's an excellent vehicle. And with some Nelson charm, this thing is just gonna blow up and pop. Do with the roof rack is also put like my YouTube name, POV Nelson, so when I'm out traveling and stuff like that, people can see it and be like, ooh, POV Nelson, let me type that into my phone. Because that's what I do. I see a cool license plate or something, a sticker that says YouTube or Instagram, and I check it out. Instagram, check out my Instagram, because I just started it and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. But we're gonna just play around with it, see what happens. Hopefully I can get some more sponsorships, because that's what's going on. Oh my god, my hands are disgusting. That's what's going on. I'm getting a lot of sponsorships. I have like 3 or 4 different companies that want to send me parts and free parts, and they want me to install them because I'm about to hit 500,000 views. So they probably think that I'm like, woo, worldwide, which I am. I got people from Scotland, I got people from Germany, I got people from like Spain commenting on my videos and talking about this, talking about that, and it's so freaking sweet to see that. So inspirational, so awesome. But I am so tired. Ugh. I'm serious. I thought I was gonna be doing a lot better on YouTube, you know, but I mean, it is what it is, and we're just gonna keep going. I have my day job, which I'm not planning on quitting my day job, so yeah. Let me know how your YouTube experience has been. Let me know how it's going for you out there. Let me know if I should get a roof rack. Let me know if you've ever installed luxury seat covers, which is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna install them and let you guys know what I think about them. I'm also, a video coming up is how much money I'm making on YouTube, because now I'm monetized. Now I'm running commercials and ads through every single one of my videos. I think except for one of my videos didn't qualify for, I guess, monetization, which is weird. I have no idea why. Maybe music, or maybe I said a bad word or something. I have no clue, but we're gonna go through it. We're gonna find out why, and I'll let you guys know. That's the video. Like, comment, subscribe, check out my gram, and I'll see you guys on the next one.